Good morning, everyone. This morning message is very simple. And this morning message goes like this. Rise and shine, everyone. Today is your blank canvas. Paint your black canvas with courage, laughter, and a bold move. You are a survivor. You are a survivor. You have survived 100% of your worst days. Today, you will strive. Own it like it's yours. Own it and command it. We do not know about tomorrow. You do not know about tomorrow. Own today. Strive for today. What that means is very easy and simple. It simply means we do not know anything about tomorrow. Like my 9-year-old son says to me, Dad, there is no tomorrow. I said, why you say that, son? He says, Dad, we don't know what will happen tomorrow. So because of that, there is no tomorrow. Because today may be the last day on earth for you. A 9-year-old told me that. So as I said to you today, live for today. Own today. Strive for today. Because tomorrow is promised to no one. Peace and love. Have a good day. I'm out.